In this video, we are going to show you how to use a seed builder. Suppose you want to create your own website, but you don't know how to do it. You don't have knowledge about programming. So did you know that there are some tools, online tools that can help you to do that? That's what seed builders are for. You just go to a website, for example, any of our AfroRegister website. From there, on the top menu, you will see a website builder menu. You click, will load a page, and from there you can start creating. So the first step is to choose the templates. What is a template? A template is it's like a model of website that is already made. So from the different templates that are given unto you, you choose the one you want. So you can choose based on the category, as you can see here from this menu. There are different categories. It can be a business and consulting website, or it can be a design art, or it can be about food and drinks, or lifestyle, music, entertainment. So based on what you want to do, you choose the category that suits your project. For example, let me select the photographic category. So once I select it, it will load templates from that category. So I choose this one. Once I've chosen it, I click on the continue button. So now, what do we do? You can choose the package. So what do we mean by package? A package is the domain name and the hosting for your website. So if you already have a domain name, you can use it. Or if you want to get a new domain name for your website that you're building, you just select this second option. If I select this second option, I will give the domain name. So since it's a sample, let me just call it sample website, for example. And then you select extension. It can be any of the extension. And then you click on check availability. If it is available, it will give you this message, domain is available. And then you choose the hosting. From here, you can choose the one you want. So depending on the one you choose, on this right side, you will see the details of that hosting changing. So since we already have a domain name, let me use the domain name let's, for example, use afroregister.org as an example, and then choose the economy hosting, and then click on start. So after choosing the package, now we have to log in. Why? Because everything that you're going to build this website builder is going to be saved or registered under your account. So you need an account. If you don't have an account, you click here to create one. Or if you already have an account but you don't remember the password, you just click here to recover the password. So since I have my account, I know already my password, let me log in with my email account and then my password. And then I click on sign in. Once I'm logged in, then I can start with customizing the appearance of my website. So here, I can give the name of the website. Since this is a sample, let's just call it sample website. So you can select the logo. If you don't want to use any logo, you just keep this option selected, no logos. Or if you want to upload a logo from your computer, you select the second option and then click here, choose a file. Then here we'll be able to select the logo from your computer. But I'm going to use the one from the sample logos because this website builder has logos. Then you can select from, then click here, select. So once I click on select, a window will pop up with different sample logos. with different sample logos. from which I will select the one I want to use. For example, choose this one. If I click on it, you will see that it will load up, and you can see here, after I'm done, click on close to close this window. So now the website title, the site title might be the name of your company or organization. This title will appear at the top of your site and it can be changed at any time. So it says that it can be the name of your company, so let me use the name of my company, the best photography. Let's use it. Okay, this will be as the name of my company. So now the font, Verdana, size, let me use for example 12. The color, you just have to define the color. Okay, something that is not too bright. If you want it to look clear, I mean, you can choose the color that you want depending on what you want to build. So if you want this style to be applied on the top, you just, okay, let me change the color so the title can be visible. Okay, now, and then take this option, use the above style for the site title. Select the background color. This will be the background color of your site. The site color can be changed to make variations in the overall look and feel of the site. This effect can be viewed in the seed preview, not in editor. Okay, now let's choose the color of the background. Now, a brief description of what your website is about. This will display in your site below the website title. Okay, now this is my photography website. Okay, choose the font. Can stick with Verdana, size 12, so you can define the one you want. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, I can change it to match the color of the website title. So the two matches now. The two matches. Okay. And then take this option so that it can be applied to description. Now the meta title. These are data that are used by search engines on the internet to display, so that your website can be displayed in the search result on the internet. So you can say, okay, photography. These are some data about your website, what it does. Okay, best photography. Okay, let's say models. Since I will be shooting some models, it can be about weddings. Since I will be shooting about wedding, so you can give as many data as that you want. Okay, so now once we are here, or if you have finished filling this form, you can either skip this step, or you can just click on the continue button to go to the other step, or you can go back if you want to change something that you have forgotten to do, or that you want to bring change to. Here, click on continue button to go to the next step. What we're going to do now is to start editing. Oh, sorry, it's telling me that a seed with the name already exists. Okay, Let me change it. The best photography, since we are creating a website about photography. Okay. The best photography. The best photography. Okay. Now use the above style. Change the color. Okay, the font. Okay, Verdana. So this is the one. Okay, size 12. Font Verdana. Okay, now photography. Now let's go to the next step.